General Science Class 7, Chapter 1, Plant Systems. Give short answers. 1. What is primary root? Answer. The initial root which grows from radicle of the embryo is the primary root, or also called as taproot. 2. What is secondary root? Answer. The branches of primary roots are called secondary roots. 3. State the function of root cap. Answer. Root cap protects the newly born soft cells from being damaged and environmental stresses. It enables root tip to grow through soil. 4. Write word equation for photosynthesis. ANS carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight energy. Food, glucose plus oxygen 5. Write word equation for respiance. Food, glucose plus oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus water plus chemical energy. Differentiate between root system and shoot system. Answer. Root system. Roots are the underground parts of the plants forming a system specialized for absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Shoot system. The aerial parts of the plants such as stem, its branches, leaves, flowers, and fruit, etc. Specialized for different functions make the shoot system. 2. Xylem and phloem. ANS. Xylem. Xylem conducts water and minerals absorbed from roots to leaves and through stem. Phloem. Phloem transport food from leaves to roots and other parts of the plants. 3. Diffusion and osmosis. ANS. Diffusion. Movement of material particles from the area where they are made to the area where they are less is called diffusion. Osmosis. The diffusion through membranes, like cell membranes, is called osmosis. 4. Epidermis and endodermis. ANS. Epidermis is the outermost layer of thin-walled cells having unicellular outgrowths called root hairs. Epidermis provides protection and helps in absorption of water minerals from the soil. Endodermis. The innermost layer of cortex, which consists of barrel-shaped cells, is called endodermis. It regulates the movement of water and hormones, etc., into and out of the vascular system. 5. Transpiration and evaporation. Transpiration. The loss of water from aerial parts of plants is called transpiration. Evaporation. Evaporation is a process by which water is transformed from liquid to a gaseous state. 6. Capillary action and transpiration pull. Capillary action. Very narrow glass tubes are called capillary tubes. Water moves up in the capillary tubes due to interaction between water molecules and surface of the tubes. This effect is called capillary action. Transpiration pull. Transpiration pull develops suction force in xylem bundles, causing water rise up. It is also responsible to keep the mesophyll cells moist, which is essential for the exchange of gases.